Hey everyone, welcome back to BetterAvecBourbon. Today we're going to be making 4 mixed drinks. The main difference between a mixed drink and a cocktail is a cocktail is 3 or more ingredients, whereas a mixed drink is just 2. Starting off, we're going to be making a Beermosa, which is just beer and a light lager. Next, we're going to be making a Mimosa, which is sparkling and orange juice. Then we'll be making the Kir Imperial, which is Chambord and Prosecco, or in my case, sparkling. You can use creme de cassis instead, but Chambord is shelf stable and also a little bit more tart than creme de cassis. And lastly, we're going to be making the J Wray. It's a riff on Wray Ting, which is primarily Ting soda and Wray, but any grapefruit soda will work, and Jarritos is what I had on hand. So grab all your ingredients in your glassware and let's get to it. First off, we're going to be making the Biermosa, so grab your orange juice, go to double rocks glass, or in my case, a nice little Corona glass, and a light lager. I've got the Coronita here because it's 237 mils, so it's a little bit more cocktail friendly, especially if you're making something under 10 ounces. Start by struggling to open up your bottle. Yeah, there we go. Try to figure out where you're going to put it. Move it around a little bit, then add 2 ounces of orange juice. To that, you're then going to top it with your lager. I usually submerge the neck and slowly pull it out as I get a little better carbonation, but feel free to just pour it in to avoid, touching the glassware to your drink. Or you can start by putting in the beer first and top with orange juice. Up to you. Next, we're going to be making the Mimosa, so grab your sparkling, grab your orange juice, and your coupe, or in my case, Nicanora glass. The main difference there is the Nicanora holds about 4.5 ounces, whereas the standard coupe glass holds about 10. And then start by pouring in 3 ounces of sparkling. Maybe 3.5 ounces of sparkling. And to that, you're going to top with orange juice. Cheers. Next, we're going to make the Kir Imperial. You're going to need your sparkling and your Chambord, and a clean Nicanora glass. You're going to start by pouring in 1/2 ounce of Chambord. And to your Chambord, you're just going to top with sparkling. Anywhere from 3 to 4 ounces. Cheers. Lastly, we're going to make Wray Ting. Start by grabbing your Collins glass filled with ice. Measure out your 1.5 ounces of Wray and Nephew. And to your glass, start by adding in grapefruit soda. You could add the Wray first, but typically I find it settles out, whereas the grapefruit soda just keep things brighter, and you get to avoid that sort of boozy end. Spill a little on your bar mat, as is tradition, and then top with grapefruit. Cheers.